Introducing the new special clicks and timebucks live promotion. In this video you will learn how to earn real money just by clicking. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribed and press the bell icon for all notification for more videos. For the first 1,000 individuals to join, you will enjoy a remarkable $0.13 payout for every click you make. For the first 20,000 participants will earn $0.01 for every click, proving that every click counts in accumulating a considerable reward. Do not miss this limited time offer. So start earning with just a simple clicks. Now I'm going to tell you where you will find these clicks and when you will find these clicks. Log in to your timebucks account. Click here and now click on Earn tab. Click on Content sub-tab. Click on Clicks. This is the place where you find that high-rate clicks. Do not go anywhere. Now I'm going to tell you when you will find these clicks. In this video you will see when timebucks given the special clicks in history. This 1 minute's history can teach you many things if you want. You need to know exactly when does the day flip in the timebucks. Log in your account and go downside at the end to know when does the day flip in the timebucks. Current server time, Saturday, October 14th, 2023. Time, 3:20 a.m. Day flip time is 12 o'clock according in the timebucks. Day flip in Pakistan, the exact time is 9 o'clock a.m. and day flip in India time is 9:30 a.m. Thinks and understand according to your region or country when day is flipped. Besides it, you can check after every 1 hour for special clicks are available or not. So this is the video you watched. See you in next video. Take care.